Hello! Let's learn some colors. Purple color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, black color, violet color, brown color, pink color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. Red color. A for apple. A. Purple color. B. B for ball. Orange color. C. C for candy. Let's learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Sky blue color. Number 1. Number 1. Brown color. Number 2. Number 2. Yellow color. Number 3. A for apple. B for ball. C for candy. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.